come back again. Come back again. Did you say that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you did say that?
not
I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
In the courtroom, some people think they can say or do whatever they want. But when justice hits back, the results are shocking, satisfying, and sometimes even hilarious. These are the moments when courtroom karma struck hard. Starting this video off with this Karen, who thinks she has more authority than the judge.
Whole truth and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury.
I would like to call.
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions. Ma'am, stop. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Yes or no? Are you going to tell the truth? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney?
He's the detective.
Again, say anything again without telling me you're going to tell the truth, and I will hold you in contempt of court for 93 days. Contempt carries with it 93 days and or $7,500. You will not act disrespectful in this.
Her entitled attitude gets her exactly what she deserves. Some people are just plain stupid, like this woman with a suspended license who attends court while driving her car.
Right now.
I had to take my kids to school.
Well, there's no take your kids to school exception to your just suspended driver's license. You didn't show up for your arraignment.
Yeah, I was actually in the hospital. I had a kidney infection. I have all the proof for that.
All she had to do was sit anywhere but the car.
So you had an unpaid ticket and you were going to pay it. So
Yeah, I just couldn't pay right then because I had been off work for my health issues, and then I had school that had just started back up, and I had to pay my household bills.
well, and you're still driving. So that's not a good combination. Well, you don't have a license. Stop doing your hair. Try to pay attention to the fact that we're having a court case. I want you to have that stuff paid off. You need to make it a priority.
I don't know what she expected, but she set herself up perfectly. Some people do dumb things in the courtroom, but nothing compares to this man showing up to court with tuberculosis.
Charged here with a third-degree felony of assault and family violence, which carries with it up to 10 years from prison if convicted. Are you getting a lawyer?
Yes.
Who?
I don't know.
So you don't have a lawyer yet?
No, I was on quarantine.
You're on quarantine for what?
Tuberculosis.
So why the hell are you here in court if you're in quarantine for tuberculosis?
I'm supposed to come to court.
What did your doctor say about this?
On quarantine.
What does that mean to you?
Not good on it.
But you're here, so you disobeyed your doctor's order. Why don't you even have a mask if you've got tuberculosis, sir? Sit over there. Sit over there, right over there. You're in quarantine.
He's putting everyone's life in danger just by being there. Imagine having the audacity to smoke a vape during your trial.
I'm confused. What in the hell was that?
Oh, just my vape.
Are you smoking in my courtroom?
Yeah, she thinks she can do whatever she wants.
Do you want me to put it away?
Either you put that away or I put you away. Choice is yours.
The judge wasn't having any of that.
You're suing Miss Wiggins something about your boyfriend?
Yes, by Trevor.
Trevor. Okay, and it says here something about you believe that he's involved with her in some.
Yes.
I'm not understanding the basis of this lawsuit, ma'am.
They're going out
okay,
together.
all right. So
I don't
Trevor, where's Trevor right now?
Where's Trevor?
Yes.
He's at work.
Oh, so he couldn't be here to go offer testimony?
He works a lot. He's a very hard worker.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
invisible.
Hold on, ma'am. Ma'am, hold on. I'm assuming you're saying he's having an affair with Miss Wiggins.
Yes.
Okay, what gives you that inclination?
Well, she did some type of magic. I think she did some voodoo on him or something, because I've seen the messages. I did.
Trevor is involved in a side relationship with Miss Wiggins. Okay.
She tries being smart with the judge, but he shuts her down and snaps back. Sometimes judges have to humble entitled people in court.
But you can work now, right?
I can, but
So it's no but you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free, my food is free.
Obviously, you're able to work.
I'm able, but I don't want to.
And you should work, but so that would slightly bring your child support down. And monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support.
That's it?
That's it. Well, it would be more if you get a job.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Your Honor.
Ma'am, no.
You don't understand.
No, you don't understand.
The poor dad had to deal with this entitled woman, but the judge makes sure she gets her karma.
You can work.
Can I say something?
No, ma'am. Only thing I need you to say is, Miss Vonda B, I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want to hear. If it's anything else other than that, I'm not entertaining it.
She doesn't let her take advantage of her husband, and the judge puts the lady in her place. This crazy Karen shows no respect in court, and watch what happens next.
Do you have any questions of this witness?
Yes. At what age did Zach Conley start wearing diapers?
Ma'am, that is not germane.
I am.
Ma'am, what we'll do is we're here to determine whether there was parenting time.
Have you been getting your parenting time?
No.
Why not?
Because she is refusing to let me see them.
Have you attempted to get your children from this couch?
Yes.
She thinks she can keep this man's kids away from him, even though he wants to see them.
She has withheld the children, that she's failed to comply with the order of...
But there's reason, sir.
Excuse me?
There's reason.
Okay.
Valid reason.
Okay, ma'am, you're done. You don't have time to speak at this point. Okay, you've had a chance to testify, you had a chance to do a final argument, so you're done. So, ma'am, unfortunately, you leave me no choice, but the court will sentence you to 30 days in jail with the Calhoun County Sheriff. Ma'am, you can go with the sheriff, and
are you serious?
This matter is concluded. You're free to go.
Who is around here?
Oh,
no, seriously.
Another 30 days for contempt of court. You're in jail for 60 days now.
No.
The judge doesn't let her have her way and gives her a penalty she deserves. This judge loses his calm when the defense tries to call a mistrial.
I didn't associate their children with this case. I've done everything I can do to prevent their names from being used. But at some point, the law does not prohibit the witnesses from using their names. The most important people in this case that everybody seems to have forgotten in this room is the jury. So we're going to take a 15-minute break and both sides take a pregnant pause and think about the jury.
Calling a mistrial wastes a lot of time, and in a serious case like this, it can prevent justice from being served. When people treat court as a joke, that never ends up good for them.
It's not a joke, you know. We are not in a club now.
Okay, but if you know,
Hey, well, you see, we are not in a club. Be serious about it.
I'm serious about it.
You're being very. I can see you're serious, all right. How much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like Rick Ross.
Huh?
It's worth money.
Have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Actually, no? No, I'm going to appoint you because you own a lot of substantial amounts of jewelry. You can go and sell your jewelry. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again.
Actually,
did you say that?
Yes, sir. I did.
Oh, you did say that? I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
He brings her back immediately, however, and penalizes her for her behavior. This judge always seems to be on the right side of justice.
Just push play?
Yep, right there.
Oh, wow.
I told you that you shouldn't be driving this thing. Whenever you go up everybody's driveway, you're hurting everybody.
Well, he thinks that he's like some famous skateboarder. He should be at the skate park.
Okay, hold on.
In this case, he stands up for a young teen skateboarder against a Karen.
You don't have a twin sister?
No.
Because the woman in that video looks exactly like you and sounds exactly like you. And he's saying it's you. So let me try my line of questioning again. How did that board break, man? You got one more time to raise your voice in my courtroom or you're gonna be spending the day in jail. Am I making myself clear, ma'am? What he said is, well, you stomped on it, which is kind of what I saw in that video.
She tries interrupting and talking her way out of trouble, but the judge makes sure she won't get away with this. And that's the power of karma. When arrogance meets justice, the outcome is unforgettable. If you enjoyed these courtroom moments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more.